Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. Well, it's just a box. You guys can't tell anything. It is I don't know what I did with my scissors here. It is going to be like a bird feeder kind of holder thing. So let's show you guys what we're talking about here. We will open this up and give it a quick assembly. So we are given a bunch of pieces and parts. So you can see this is what's going to stick into the ground. So that'll be on the ground. And then we have our poles, which will go up out of the ground. So put all this pieces and parts over here as I open them up. It can be extremely tall. We are given another one, so we have a second one there. And oh, I'm sorry, just dropping everything here. And okay, and then here is our instructions of setting it up. So you can see this is the goal of what it will look like here. So, and there are the instructions. So let's go ahead and set this up. I'll show you guys what else we got here. So this is going to be the top section of it. So this is where it will, be, and the bird feeders can hang off of this. And then this will be the cone around it. So it's the cone to keep the squirrels from climbing up. So let's go ahead and see how we do this here. So what does it show? It shows we have one of those, the bottom ones, and we have a screw top here. One, I guess two. So these will screw together just like so. Pretty simple. It's nice and easy. So depending on how tall you want it, I guess is how many of these you're going to want to put in there. So let's just go ahead and say for purposes of my apartment, we have 3. Okay, so there we go, that. And then up here, actually, I guess I'm going to need one that has a dual end. Let me see what else we got here. Let's just open these up, see what we got. Do all these look the same? Yes, this, yes. Yes, okay, so yeah, so we have a bunch. So we would go taller than that normally. So that's just kind of give you an idea of it. And then the top one, you'll just go and put it on as such. So there we go. So there we have all those on. But then let me show you what we got here for the cone. And it looks like we have 2, I guess one for each one. And we have another top too for the other side. So let's go ahead and look at this. So this is going to be the cone. And it's got all the tools and stuff. So I guess it's going to require me to screw it together. Oh, I guess I needed to put this on around the pole. But then it's got all the different screws and stuff. So it will, in effect, it will be looking like this. So that will be the half here. And then depending on where we've put this little screw piece here, will determine how high up the little bell shape is that'll keep it up there. And because it's got this, it'll flop around. The squirrel can only go up under it and it'll never make it on top. So that's what's really cool. So also the goal would be to put this away from trees and stuff because they can jump from the top. So you gotta make sure it's not away from other things, and then you put the little cone on, and pretty cool. And then you're all set. So it's good. So it'll take 2 cones. It looks like this is gonna be a half circle. It'll take 2 cones to make the circle. And it's got all the screws and pieces to put it together here. You probably don't need to watch me do that, but look at this. It's nice and sturdy, and it's got, I'll pick up the other one here. It's got these here, so when you stick it in the ground, it'll poke. This one will poke in the ground, and then you can hammer these 2 in the ground, and then you can put this one on top and hammer that in the ground, so it'll be nice and solid and not go anywhere. Super, it won't fall over like mine just did. So totally cool. Thumbs up.